Good day. Welcome to my mathematics lesson. Today we are going to look at how to find trigonometric ratio of any angle. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now, these are the examples that we're going to talk about. Find the values of, so for example, you have been given sine 120. You need to first draw the angle of 120 degrees where it will be in our quadrant. So we have this Cartesian plane, and in trigonometry you read from the anti-clockwise direction. So what you're going to do is that this is a 90 degrees and this is the 120 degrees, so this angle will fall under the second quadrant. So you're going to locate the angle of 120 degrees here. Now we have 90 here, we have unknown angle here. So over here the 120 degrees is the angle that covers this region. So if you take the 90 from this 120 degrees, you are going to get 30 degrees at this side. Now, for us to continue, we need to know the associate angle that make up with the x-axis. And the associate angle is the angle located at this place, and that gives you 60 degrees. So for you to solve this, you are going to say that the associate angle of this sine 120 degrees is also sine 60 degrees. Now we need to identify the region where it is positive and negative. To identify this, let's look at the concept of cast. We have C, A, S, T. Now the cast tell you the region where the ratio is positive. So over here we have the second quadrant, which is sine is positive. So over here sine is positive. Now for us to get the exact value of sine 60 degrees, you have to remember the special angle table, and that gives you sine 60 degrees to be root 3 over 2. So we have root 3 over 2, and this is the exact value of sine 120 degrees. Let's look at the second question. So we have cos 240 degrees. So first of all, let's sketch the angle of cos 240 degrees, and the 240 degrees will be at the third quadrant. So all this area here gives us the 240 degrees. Now the second step is to identify the associate angle of this cos 240 degrees, and this is the associate angle that make up with the x-axis from here to this particular position, and that gives you 60 degrees. We have it to be 60 degrees. And also use the cast plane to identify the positive or the negative of that particular angle. So over here, let's first write associate angle, which cos 240 degrees will also be the same as cos 60 degrees. That is the associate angle that makes up with the x-axis. Now the operation that we need to add, let's test this. We have the third quadrant to be tangent, that will be positive, which means at the place of cos 240 degrees, cos is negative. And we also go further to find the exact value of cos 60 degrees, and by the use of the special angle table, cos 60 degrees is known as 1 over 2, and it is negative according to the region where it will be located. Now the next one is tan 315 degrees, and tan 315 degrees we first sketch, and it will be located at the fourth quadrant. So over here we have all this space that gives you the 315 degrees. Now the associate angle that makes up with the x-axis is what we locate here, and that will be 45 degrees. So 45 degrees, we need to write this as tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees, and the region where it's located, that is the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive, which means we have the tan at the fourth quadrant to be negative. So we can say that tan 45 degrees is 1, so we have the negative 1 as our exact value. So this is the answer for tan 315 degrees, and this is the answer for cos 240 degrees. Now for this one, you know sec is the reciprocal of the cosine. So what we are going to do is that we are going to rewrite this as 1 over cos 120 degrees. 1 over cos 120 degrees. So we have 120 degrees here, and we need to work for cos 120 degrees. So we are going to sketch where the 120 degrees will be, and that will be at the second quadrant. So the 120 degrees start from here up to this place, that is 120 degrees. So we have 120 degrees over here. Now the associate angle that makes up with the x-axis will be this particular angle, and that is also 60 degrees. So we are going to rewrite this as, we have cos 120 degrees is also the same as cos 60 degrees. Now the region where it is found is at the second quadrant, and the second quadrant is only sign that is positive. So over here cos will be negative, and by the use of the special angle table, cos 60 degrees is known as root 3 over 2, and it is negative. So we are going to cos 60 degrees in the special angle table, that is 1 over 2 instead. So we have it here, 1 over 2. So we are going to substitute this into the sec 120 degrees expression, and that is 1 over, so cos 120 degrees give us negative 1 over 2, so negative 1 over 2, and that will be negative 2 as our final answer. So this and many more the live question that we might get on this topic, how to find trigonometric ratio of any angle. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Visit YouTube and subscribe.